Welcome to this video. Today I discuss about in respect of collage. I want to discuss about in respect of collage in English grammar. That what is collage? Collage. Definition of collage. A collage is a combination of a collage is combination of verb and subject. Subject or subject plus predicate या subject plus verb. Collage. What is definition of collage? A collage is a combination of verb and subject is called collage. Namely, in other words, I want to describe about definition of collage, that subject plus predicate combination of subject and predicate is called collage. Subject plus verb is called collage. For example, I will study. I will study. Subject I, study we. This is collage. Types of collage. Types of collage. Now let's start about the describing of collage types according to. First, dependent collage. Dependent collage. Second is independent collage. Independent collage is the part of sentence you will study. You will study. Definition of collage. A collage is a combination of verb and subject is called collage, or in other words, subject plus predicate or subject plus verb in shortcut. For examples, I will study. I will study. I is subject, study is verb. Then this combination is called collage. Types of collage. Dependent collage. Second is independent collage. first dependent clause. Dependent clause. What is dependent clause? What is dependent clause? A clause depends at other clause is called dependent clause. Dependent clause. This is called the definition of dependent clause. Namely, again, a clause depends at other clause is called dependent clause. Namely, in other words, I want to describe about in respect of definition of clause. That what is definition of clause? Clause, dependent clause is as clause. Dependent clause is as clause which did not give complete meaning is called dependent clause. In other words, or which did not give complete meaning sense in a sentence. Which did not give complete meaning sense in a sentence is called clause. Is called dependent clause. Dependent clause. For example, when you reached, but this clause wants depends at other clause, hence this is called dependent clause. And in this clause, if I want to check that this sentence is in clause, then you is subject and reached is verb. Hence this sentence is in clause. Hence and in clause is called dependent clause. Okay, is in clause dependent clause. Namely, repeating, dependent clause क्या होता है? What is dependent clause? A clause depends at other clause is called dependent clause. Namely, in other words, second definition of dependent clause, which did not give complete meaning sense in a sentence is called dependent clause. For examples, when you reached, but this sentence did not complete full meaning sense, hence this is called dependent clause. And this clause wants to depend at other clause, hence this is called dependent clause. Okay, second, second independent class. Independent class. Now let's start about definition of independent class. That what is definition of independent class? A class which 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 depends in self is called independent class. Independent class. A class which depends in self is called independent class. Or second definition. Independent class is as class that has not need of other class. Understand that what is definition of class? A class, first definition, a class which depends in self is called independent class. And second definition, independent class is as class that has not need of other class is called independent class. Independent class. For example, I at the fort at home. Okay, this sentence does not want to depend at other class, hence this is called independent class. And in other words, this sentence completes full meaning sense is called, hence this is called independent class. Independent class is as class which class completes full meaning sense in self is called independent class. Normally, according to definition, a class which depends in self is called independent class, and in other definitions, independent class is as class that has not need of other class is called independent class. For examples, I ate the food at home. Now repeating class total in shortcut. I reached home. when I reached home, I at the fort at home. When I reached home, I at the fort. Independent clause and dependent clause. Okay, in one sentence we understand about in respect of that what is dependent clause and what is independent clause, that what is difference between independent and dependent clause. Dependent clause is a clause which wants to depends at other clause is called dependent clause. For examples, when I reached homes. For examples, we studied about examples of dependent clause. That examples of dependent clause is I reached, when I reached at home. Second, independent clause. Independent clause, what is the definition of independent clause? A clause which depends in self is called independent clause. In other definitions of independent clause, independent clause is a clause that has not need of other clause is called independent clause. For example of this independent clause, I at the food at home. In other words, in shortcut, what is difference between dependent clause and independent clause? When I reached home, I at the food at home. Dependent clause wants to depend at other clause independent clause, but did not depend in self. Hence, this is called dependent clause. And independent clause did not want to depend at other clause. This depends in self. Hence, this is called independent clause. Okay. Now, phrase. Phrase. What is phrase? A group of words. A group of words which did not give complete sense is called phrase. Example from above example. From above example. At the home. At the home. In this, a group of words which did not give complete sense. At the home did not give complete sense. Hence, this is called phrase. This video perhaps liked by you. Hence, this video shared, subscribed and liked maximum to maximum. Next class we study about in respect of types of sentence, that what is sentence, that what is described about the types of sentence. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.